Top 25 Data Architect Interview Questions and Answers. Whether you're preparing for your first data architect role or aiming to level up your career, this video will help you understand both technical and strategic concepts in a simple and practical way. Each question is carefully explained with real-world relevance, so you can confidently handle interviews and showcase your expertise. 1. What is a data architect? A data architect is responsible for designing, creating, and managing an organization's data infrastructure. They define how data is collected, stored, integrated, and accessed across systems. Their goal is to ensure data is accurate, secure, scalable, and aligned with business needs. Data architects work closely with analysts, engineers, and business teams to build efficient data models, choose suitable technologies, and maintain data governance standards. 2. What are the key responsibilities of a data architect? The key responsibilities of a data architect include designing data models, defining data standards, ensuring data quality, and building scalable data pipelines. They select appropriate databases, cloud platforms, and integration tools. They also manage data security, compliance, and governance policies. Additionally, data architects collaborate with stakeholders to translate business requirements into technical solutions that support analytics, reporting, and decision-making. 3. What is the difference between a data architect and a data engineer? A data architect focuses on high-level design, strategy, and structure of data systems, while a data engineer handles implementation and maintenance. Architects create blueprints for data storage, integration, and governance. Engineers build pipelines, write code, and optimize performance. In simple terms, the architect plans the house, and the engineer constructs it according to the plan, ensuring everything works efficiently. 4. What is data modeling and why is it important? Data modeling is the process of visually representing data structures, relationships, and rules. It helps in organizing data logically and physically. Good data models improve consistency, reduce redundancy, and make systems easier to understand. They also help developers, analysts, and stakeholders communicate clearly. Strong data modeling ensures scalability, better performance, and easier maintenance as business requirements evolve. 5. What are the types of data models? There are 3 main types of data models: conceptual, logical, and physical. The conceptual model shows high-level business concepts and relationships. The logical model adds detailed attributes, keys, and constraints. The physical model defines how data is stored in a specific database system. Each model serves a different purpose, helping teams move from business ideas to technical implementation smoothly. 6. What is a data warehouse? A data warehouse is a centralized system designed to store large volumes of structured data from multiple sources. It is optimized for querying, reporting, and analysis rather than daily transactions. Data warehouses help businesses identify trends, generate insights, and make data-driven decisions. They use historical data, making them ideal for business intelligence, dashboards, and long-term strategic planning. 7. What is the difference between a data warehouse and a data lake? A data warehouse stores structured, processed data optimized for analytics, while a data lake holds raw, unstructured, semi-structured, and structured data. Data warehouses follow a schema-on-write approach, whereas data lakes use schema-on-read. Data lakes are more flexible and cost-effective for big data and machine learning. Data warehouses, however, provide better performance, reliability, and consistency for reporting. 8. What is ETL and why is it important? ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. It is a process used to collect data from various sources, clean and transform it into a consistent format, and load it into a target system like a data warehouse. ETL ensures data accuracy, consistency, and usability. It is essential for integrating multiple data sources and enabling reliable analytics and reporting. 9. What is data governance? Data governance refers to the policies, standards, and processes that ensure data is accurate, secure, and used responsibly. It defines who can access data, how it is stored, and how long it is retained. Strong data governance improves trust in data, supports compliance with regulations, and reduces risks. It also ensures consistent data definitions across departments. 10. What is metadata and why is it important? Metadata is data about data. It describes the structure, meaning, source, and usage of data. Examples include column names, data types, creation dates, and ownership details. Metadata helps users understand where data comes from and how it should be used. For data architects, metadata is essential for documentation, governance, data lineage, and efficient data discovery. 11. What is data normalization? Data normalization is the process of organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve consistency. It involves dividing large tables into smaller ones and defining relationships between them. This helps prevent data duplication and ensures updates occur in only one place. Normalization improves data integrity, storage efficiency, and maintenance. However, in some analytical systems, denormalization is preferred for faster query performance. 12. What is data denormalization? Data denormalization is the process of combining tables and adding redundant data to improve query performance. It is commonly used in data warehouses and analytical systems where fast read performance is critical. Although it increases storage usage, it simplifies queries and reduces the need for complex joins. Data architects carefully balance denormalization to optimize performance without compromising data accuracy. 13. What is a star schema? A star schema is a common data warehouse design where a central fact table connects to multiple dimension tables. The fact table stores measurable data, while dimension tables store descriptive information. This structure simplifies queries and improves performance. It is easy to understand and widely used in business intelligence systems. Star schemas help analysts quickly generate reports and insights. 14. What is a snowflake schema? A snowflake schema is an extension of the star schema where dimension tables are further normalized into multiple related tables. This reduces data redundancy and saves storage space. However, it increases the complexity of queries due to additional joins. Snowflake schemas are useful when dimension data is large and complex. Data architects choose this schema based on performance and storage needs. 15. What is data lineage? Data lineage refers to tracking the origin, movement, and transformation of data across systems. It shows where data comes from, how it changes, and where it is used. This helps with troubleshooting, auditing, and compliance. Data lineage improves transparency and trust in data. For data architects, it is essential for governance, impact analysis, and maintaining data quality. 16. What is data integration? Data integration is the process of combining data from different sources into a unified view. It allows organizations to access consistent and accurate data for analysis and decision-making. This process often involves cleaning, transforming, and mapping data to a common format. Data integration improves collaboration between systems, eliminates silos, and ensures stakeholders can rely on a single version of the truth. 17. What is a master data management system? Master data management, or MDM, is a system that creates and maintains a single, accurate version of core business data such as customers, products, or suppliers. It ensures consistency across multiple systems and departments. MDM reduces duplication, improves data quality, and supports better decision-making. Data architects design MDM frameworks to ensure reliability, governance, and long-term scalability. 18. What is the role of cloud in modern data architecture? Cloud platforms play a major role in modern data architecture by providing scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. They allow organizations to store and process massive volumes of data without maintaining physical infrastructure. Cloud services support real-time analytics, automation, and advanced tools like AI and machine learning. Data architects use cloud environments to design resilient, secure, and high-performing data systems. 19. What is big data and how does it affect data architecture? Big data refers to extremely large and complex datasets that traditional systems cannot handle efficiently. It is characterized by volume, velocity, and variety. Big data impacts data architecture by requiring distributed systems, parallel processing, and scalable storage. Data architects design frameworks using tools like Hadoop and Spark to handle massive data loads while maintaining performance, reliability, and data accessibility. 20. What is data security in data architecture? Data security in data architecture involves protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access, breaches, and misuse. It includes encryption, access controls, authentication, and auditing mechanisms. Data architects design security layers that ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Strong data security builds trust, protects business reputation, and prevents financial and legal risks associated with data leaks. 21. What is data quality and why is it important? Data quality refers to the accuracy, completeness, consistency, and reliability of data. High-quality data ensures correct insights, better decision-making, and trustworthy analytics. Poor data quality can lead to incorrect conclusions, business losses, and reduced customer trust. Data architects implement validation rules, monitoring systems, and cleansing processes to maintain data quality. This ensures that business teams can confidently rely on data for strategic planning. 22. What is scalability in data architecture? Scalability is the ability of a data system to handle growing volumes of data and users without performance issues. A scalable architecture can expand storage, processing power, and resources as business needs increase. Data architects design systems using cloud services, distributed databases, and modular components to ensure flexibility. Scalability prevents system failures, reduces downtime, and supports long-term business growth. 23. What is real-time data processing? Real-time data processing refers to analyzing and processing data as it is generated, with minimal delay. It is commonly used in applications like fraud detection, stock trading, and live dashboards. Data architects design real-time systems using streaming platforms such as Kafka and Spark Streaming. These systems allow businesses to react instantly to events, improve customer experience, and gain a competitive advantage. 24. What is data compliance and why does it matter? Data compliance ensures that an organization follows legal and regulatory standards for handling data. These include laws like GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA. Compliance protects user privacy, prevents misuse of data, and avoids heavy penalties. Data architects design systems with access controls, audit trails, and encryption to meet these requirements. Strong compliance practices build trust with customers and stakeholders. 25. What skills are required to become a successful data architect? A successful data architect needs a combination of technical, analytical, and communication skills. They must understand databases, cloud platforms, data modeling, and integration tools. Strong problem-solving skills help them design efficient systems. Communication is crucial for translating business needs into technical solutions. They also need knowledge of security, governance, and scalability to build reliable and future-ready data infrastructures. And that wraps up our complete guide on the top 25 data architect interview questions and answers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career-focused content. Preparing well is the key to success, and understanding these concepts will give you the confidence to stand out in your interviews. Best of luck on your data architect journey. Go out there and make an impact.